So welcome to our new special video on embracing the power of shared ownership, building an inspired and powerful family life through common property. So discover the benefits and strategies for managing common property within your family. Fostering collaboration and cultivating a sense of unity and equality in the family. So let's find how to live an inspired life with common property. So in this session, we'll explore the concepts of common property within the family and how it contributes to building a strong and harmonious family life. So let's begin. The common property refers to shared resources, responsibilities, and values that bind the family together. It is the idea that family unit is collective an entity where each member contributes, respects, and takes care of the common interests. So today we'll delve into the various aspects of common property and discuss how it can inspire and empower to create a powerful family life. So the point number one, shared responsibilities. The shared responsibilities are crucial aspect of common property within family. Each family member has a role to play in contributing to the household finances, decision making, and overall well-being of the family. So by sharing responsibilities, we distribute the workload and create a sense of unity, cooperation within family. Point number two, open communication. So open communication is essential for managing common property within family. It involves discussing and making decisions together regarding family finances, goals, and appreciations or aspirations. Transparent communication ensures that everyone's opinion and needs are heard and considered, leading to a stronger sense of ownership and belonging. Point number three, respect for individual needs. So respecting individual needs within the family framework of common property is vital. It means recognizing and honoring each family member's unique preferences, interests, and boundaries. By respecting individual needs, we create an environment where everyone feels valued and supported. Point number four, sharing resources. So sharing resources is a fundamental aspect of common property. It includes sharing finances, possessions, and other tangible assets within the family. By sharing resources, we create a sense of fairness, trust, and abundance. It also teaches valuable lessons about gratitude, generosity, and responsible stewardship. Point number five, building shared values. So building shared values is essential for a powerful family life. It involves identifying, nurturing core values that guide the family's decisions, behaviors, and interactions. Shared values provide a moral compass, instilling a sense of purpose, unity, and direction within the family. Point number six, collaboration and teamwork. So collaboration and teamwork are the key components of common property. By working together, pooling talents, and supporting each other, we foster a culture of collaborative teamwork. This cultivates a sense of belonging, shared achievement, and resilience. Point number seven, conflict resolution. So conflict is inevitable in any family, but how we handle is crucial. Common property encourages effective conflict resolution, where conflicts are addressed respectfully and solutions are sought collectively. By resolving conflicts constructively, We strengthen the bond within the family and promote growth and understanding. Point number 8, celebrating achievements. So celebrating achievements is an important part of common property. Acknowledge and celebrate the accomplishments of each family member, both big and small. By celebrating together, we foster a supportive and uplifting atmosphere that encourages person's growth and happiness. Point number 9, nurturing emotional well-being. So nurturing emotional well-being is shared responsibility within the concept. It involves creating a safe and nurturing environment where everyone's emotional needs are acknowledged and supported. By nurturing emotional well-being, we promote resilience, empathy, and stronger relationships within family. So let's recap the key points what we discussed today. So the common property is also sharing responsibilities, fostering open communication, respecting individual needs, sharing resources, building shared values, collaboration, conflict resolution, celebrating achievements, and nurturing emotional well-being within family. So it is through these practices that we create an inspired and powerful family life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of common property and its role in living an inspired and powerful family life. So let's continue to cultivate a culture of shared responsibility, respect, and collaboration within our families. Together, we can build a strong and harmonious family units that inspire and empower each other. So until next time, may your family thrive and flourish in the spirit of common property. That's all in this video. So let's see that if you can subscribe to my channels, different channels, you can find such kind of topics there, where I have my channel on YouTube, on podcast, different Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Podcast, YouTube Podcast, and many more. I have my blogs on nitinarkade.com/blogs. So you can subscribe there, you can go there and find out different topics which are related to our family, where we want to live an inspired and powerful family life. Thank you for being there.